So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So actually today you are already know what we are presenting or what topic we are discussing on about Ratan Tata. Basically actually today Ratan Tata means we have lost the Ratan of India, means Bharat Ratan of India. We lost Ratan Tata today, or just Ratan Tata was born on 28 December 1937. Okay, approx his age was 84, 85, 84 years. Okay, 86. So just first I will tell you the main points about Ratan Tata ji, and today we are discussing a beautiful quote and beautiful life lessons of Ratan Tata ji. Okay, so first we have very condolence and just we are tributing of Ratan Tata. Okay, first, Ratan Tata is an Indian industrialist and a former chairman of Tata Sons. तो जस्ट लाइक रतन टाटा जी कौन थे? इंडियन इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, ठीक है, भारत के उद्योगपति थे बहुत बड़े, एंड अ फॉर्मर चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा सन्स, टाटा सन्स के फॉर्मर चेयरमैन from 1990 to 2012. He was the chairman of Tata Group and become the interim chairman of from October 2016 through February 2017. ठीक है, and he is dedicated philanthropist and heads the company's charitable trust. Means you know what is the meaning of philanthropist? Social welfare and social worker. Means he is very thinker of society. Okay, so he is a dedicated philanthropist and heads the company charitable trust. वो कंपनी का जो उनका चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट है, टाटा कंपनी के उसके हेड थे, एंड मोर देन हाफ ऑफ द प्रॉफिट्स आर चैनल टुवर्ड्स वेरियस चैरिटेबल इनिशिएटिव्स. जो उनका कंपनी का हाफ ऑफ क्या होता था, प्रॉफिट्स होता था, वो क्या किस में लगा देते थे? चैरिटेबल इनिशिएटिव्स में. मीन्स सबसे ज्यादा आज के टाइम में अगर कोई भी कंपनी रिच होती है, कोई भी पर्सन रिच होता, तो सबसे पहले कौन आता? टाटा आता. लेकिन क्या हुआ, टाटा जी ने अपनी मतलब आधी से ज्यादा जो उनकी नेटवर्थ है वो क्या कर दी? चैरिटेबल, मींस उन्हें चैरिटी कर दी. अप्रोक्स माना जाता है कि 103 मिलियन डॉलर के आसपास, हाँ बिलियन डॉलर के आसपास टाटा की क्या है? नेटवर्थ है, जिसको वो क्या करते हैं? जिसकी चैरिटी करते हैं. और अप्रोक्स 101 बिलियन डॉलर के आसपास जो हमारे देश में अडानी की क्या है? टोटल नेटवर्थ है, और उससे भी वो 2 बिलियन ज्यादा क्या कर देते हैं? चैरिटी कर देते. तो टाटा कंपनी देश में, वर्ल्ड में सबसे टॉप पे होती, अदरवाइज क्या है इस टाइम पे वो क्या कर देते हैं? अपनी चैरिटी कर देते हैं. सो ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड द सेकेंड एंड द थर्ड हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड इन इंडिया. तो उन्हें कैसे अवार्ड किया गया था? सेकेंड एंड थर्ड हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड इन इंडिया, द पद्म भूषण इन 2000 एंड द पद्म विभूषण इन 2008. सो टाटा जी को 2 अवार्ड मिले थे. फर्स्ट पद्म भूषण 2000 में, और सेकंड आपका था पद्म विभूषण इन 2008. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सम कोट्स ऑफ रतन टाटा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट कोट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन. एवरी चैलेंज इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न एंड ग्रो. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. So what is the meaning of this quote? Do you know? I will invite one by one, so you will have to tell the meaning of this quote. Okay, first quote is that every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. First I am telling you just in a brief. Every challenge, what is the meaning of challenge? चुनौती. Every challenge is an opportunity. Opportunity का meaning क्या होता है? अवसर, मौका, चांस. तो एक मतलब हम हर क्या है, हर चुनौती क्या है? एक अवसर है, चांस है, मौका है. टू लर्न एंड ग्रो, सीखने का और आगे बढ़ने का. कितना शानदार कोट है बाय रतन टाटा. एवरी चैलेंज इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न एंड ग्रो. मींस हर चुनौती क्या है? एक अवसर है, एक चांस है, एक मौका है. किस लिए? हमें सीखने के लिए और आगे बढ़ने के लिए. तो ये रतन टाटा जी के द्वारा बोली गई बात है. कितना शानदार कोट है. आप लोगों को इस कोट का एक्चुअल मीनिंग बताना है. मींस व्हाट चैलेंजेस यू आर फेसिंग राइट नाउ, एंड मींस already you face some challenges and that converted already in opportunities. Okay, so first Tejal, I am inviting Tejal, so you have to come here and just let me the actual meaning of this quote.
Okay, so as sir told that it means that when we learn something new, so we are learning so many things and we are growing by that. Like if you face any challenge in your academics, like you are not be able to read nicely, but still you are learning how to read, and slowly you are growing.
Yes, very good. Next, who will come? Christy. Then I will invite one by one. Okay. What is the meaning of this quote? Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. So you have to give an example also. If you have any example, so you can show your example here. Christy.
So first of all, again, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, all of you. So according to me, and I think as this quote is about our challenges and the problems we are facing, it means they are just like we can learn and learn new things and grow more, and we should face all the problems, we should not give up. And just like as Tejal also told about academics, and we have many problems just like in learning, just like in academics we have some problems, we are not getting these things, we should try hard, we should not give up. So it means about this quote.
Actually, you should not give up, or you should never give up, because you have to face every kind of challenges in your life, study and all. Okay, just I am inviting Paridhi. Paridhi, please come and tell the actual meaning of this quote. Actually, I will invite everyone because we have 5 quotes today. Okay, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.
So it is right that every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Your friend gave you the challenge to score more marks, so you study more effectively, and when you study more effectively, you learn so many things, and slowly you grow.
Just any voice want to come? Kush, yes, come here. Do you have any example of this quote related to this quote? Okay, just let me know.
Sir, there are many examples of like this quote, like we can also take our exams. Exams are also challenges for students, but there is opportunity to their learnings and growth.
Yes, it's a very nice examples by the Kush. Okay, well done. Next quote. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Create your own opportunities. So these lines also called by Ratan Tata ji. Don't wait for opportunities. Means हमें किसका इंतजार नहीं करना है? Opportunities का, अवसर का इंतजार नहीं करना है. To come to you, जो आपके पास आती हैं. Create your own opportunities. So you have to create your own opportunity. आपको अपने अवसर खुद खोजने हैं, खुद बनाने हैं. आपको इंतजार नहीं करना है कि कोई हमें आके दे जाएगा या हमारे पास कोई अवसर आएगा जिसे हम मौका आएगा जिससे हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. आपको अपने अवसर क्या करने हैं? खुद खोजने. जैसे कोई पर्सन जॉब अगर सर्च करता है, कई बार कुछ लोग बैठे रहते हैं कि कोई जॉब आएगी, मुझे अपने आप मिल जाएगी और मैं जॉब करने लग जाऊंगा. ये क्या है? गलत है. आपको जब तक आप जॉब खोजोगे नहीं, आपको जॉब अच्छी कैसे मिलेगी? ठीक है, तो इस कोट को आप डिफरेंट मीनिंग के साथ कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. डोंट वेट फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटीज to come to you, create your own opportunities. Just like anyone wants to come? Yes, Ayush, come here. It's a very nice quote. Yes, Ayush.
Sir, as you said that मौकों का इंतजार मत करो, अपनी स्वयं की एक मौका ढूंढो. As you said about it, so I want to say that in my words that if we have lost any opportunity, so some people start waiting of another opportunity. So in the quote says that we have to not wait for another opportunity. We have to create our own opportunity. Like as we know in our school, we sometime we got we are not learning, so then sometimes our teacher pardon us, and then again we start doing like this. So it's also an example of this quote. As we know that if you have lost an opportunity, so sometimes people start finding another opportunity. Means trying to get another opportunity. So we have to create our own opportunity. Thank you.
Next, who wants to come? Harshit Yadav, come here. So just you have to set an examples. Don't wait for opportunities. Okay. Yes, Harshit. What do you think about this quote?
So I have a very interesting quote because this quote is written by Ratan Tata. So it is based on the Ratan Tata's life, because in past time he was so poor, and if he wait for the opportunity to come to him, so he cannot be a CEO of Tata Groups. He make his own opportunity to do some hard work and success in life. So it shows that Ratan Tata was the very brilliant and very positive mind person. That means if we do our opportunities, if we use our opportunities, so it will be very useful for us. And if we wait for the opportunity, so it will not more efficiently work on it in our life.
It's a very nice example. Okay, Christy. Any boys wants to come? Okay, if anyone wants to come, please raise your hand. Okay, just let me know.
So in this quote, Ratan Tata sir wants to say that now in the present time you have so many opportunities and you don't have to wait. Now also you will see around you there are many opportunities, and as Harshit Yadav also said, and just like you can make your own opportunities, just like challenging yourself, you should challenge yourself and make a target, and then you will have the opportunity to break it. So it will also become a very learning and moral for your life. Thank you.
Very good. Next, Tejal, just come.
Okay, so according to me, if this quote tells that, we can take an example of our live classes, like sir is telling about this quote. So we can challenge us to make something innovative related to this. Like we have an opportunity. If we having any opportunity, but still we are waiting, so that is useless. But if there is no opportunity, but in our hands there is an opportunity, we can make any type of opportunity we want to make.
Yes, very good. So we are continuing next quote. Okay. The next quote of Ratan Tata was, "The only limit to your success is your own imagination." So do you know what is the meaning of imagination? What is the meaning of imagination? No, not imagination is not a dream. Means हमारी thinking capacity, means how much can we think. Okay, just the only limit to your success is your own imagination. Means जितना बड़ा आप सोचते हो उतने ही बड़े आप बन जाते हो. Simple language. The only limit to your success is your own imagination. Means what you imagine, you already know. Means how much you imagine, you already know. Just you have to put your efforts, what's your imaginations, and fulfill your imaginations or fulfill your dreams. So you know the only limit to your success is your, means आपकी सक्सेस की, आपकी सफलता की सीमा क्या है? आपका सोचना. जितना आप इमेजिनेशन कर पाते हो, जितना चीज़ों को आप सोच पाते हो, अपने माइंड में थिंक कर पाते हो, उतना ही आपकी क्या है, सक्सेस तय है. आपने सोच लिया, जस्ट you have already thought, means I will not become an IAS, I will not become an IPS, just I want to become an doctor only, just I want to become an engineer, or in any field you don't want to go, just in your mind just you want to go, but you already thought that, you have already thought that, means I cannot do this because these things are very tough and all. So in that way you have lost your limit. But whatever you think means how much you think. So that time you will be have a very good imagination and you will be have very good success. Okay. So I am inviting Ayush. Okay. I am inviting Yashraj first. Okay. One by one I will invite. So everyone will be come here. Okay. Okay, yes Raj. So what do you understand about this quote?
As you said, the only limit to your success is your own imagination. So, in my words, I want to say that if we want to become anything that is big, as compared to our dream, so we can make our imagination big. That if we imagine that we can become anything like doctor, scientist, or anything, and try to become that, so we can become. And if our goal and dream is big and we try to become that, so we can become.
Yes, Sri. Just let me know.
So basically the means of this quote is there is a no limit of success. It is on our own imagination how much we can think or how much we can get. It's totally depend on us. Thank you.
Ishika.
In my words, the only limit to your success is your own imagination. If you want to achieve greatness, so there is a secret behind you is your imagination.
Shamyak. Okay. Okay, next. So next quote is that be the change you wish to see in the world. So this is the very simple quote. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Means आपको क्या करना है, जो आपको अपने ऊपर चेंज करने हैं, जो आप क्या किस में देखना चाहते हो, वर्ल्ड में, दुनिया में देखना चाहते हो. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. दैट्स व्हाई यू विल चेंज द वर्ल्ड. जस्ट यू वांट टू बिकम एन IAS, सो जस्ट you have to study, and anything you want to become, just you want to become an industrialist like Ratan Tata, so just you have to work hard. Means you have an idea, means how we can earn more and more money. Okay, so means be the change you wish to see in the world. So first you have to change yourself. Okay, Paridhi, just come. Any new student who wants to come? Divyansh. Okay.
So, sir, according to me, the means of this quote is that, like, you want that there should be so many plants in the country, but you are thinking that the other people will plant it, but you have to plant the trees, so you will see the change. And like another example is that you want that your cousin should become an IAS officer, but you should become an IAS officer because, like, it is your dream, so you have to become that.
Yes, Divyansh. It's a very good example by Christy. Clapping for Paridhi.
So Ratan Tata said that with this quote, like some people think that he want to a good businessman, but if you want to a good businessman, so you should also do a hard work, because in this time everything at this time we should do hard work. If you want to farmer, so you should also do a hard work. If we talk about more farmer, so farmer also do hard work in science.
Okay. Yes, Shivansh. What's your opinion about this quote?
I think suppose if you are in in difficulty and you think we get more, we get lot of money, because no one help you in this time, and because you think big, and you think big, and get big.
Okay. Just we have discussed this quote and we have next quote. Last one. Ups and downs in life are very important to keep us going because a straight line even in an ECG means we are not alive. Means हमारे जीवन में उतार और चढ़ाव क्या है, जरूरी है. आपको पता है जो ECG मशीन होती है जिससे हम हार्ट रेट लेते हैं, अगर उसमें भी एक सिंगल लाइन आ जाती है तो वो क्या है, हमारी क्या है, जो सांस है, जो ब्रीथ है, वो क्या होती है, कंप्लीटली रुक जाती है और हम अलाइव जिंदा नहीं रह पाते हैं. उसी टाइप से मीन्स इन एवरीवन्स लाइफ और इन आवर लाइफ वी हैव टू मीन्स ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. जस्ट समटाइम्स वी हैव अप्स एंड समटाइम्स वी हैव डाउन्स. just like you are preparing good but your result are not okay, means you are not satisfied, but sometimes you are doing good and your result are also good. So this kind of things you are in up, and that time you are in very great manner, but that time you are already prepared well, but you have not find a good result, or you have not got a good result, so that time it's your down. Okay, but you have to think, means whatever is already going on, means ups or downs, you have to balance, or you have to stay balance your life. Okay, next, who wants to come? Okay, Christy first. Garb, Chamyak, so just you have to share your knowledge also. Okay.
Okay, so in this quote, I would like to tell that ups and downs are very important in our life, because we cannot be walk in a straight line. And it is also told that even in an ECG, if there is a straight line, so it's mean that we are not alive. And they are very important. And as in the first quote, it was also that we should challenges are very important for so that we can learn and grow. And because we can learn new thing and we can be very challenging, and that's why up and downs are very important in our life according.
And very good. Next, Harshit Yadav, come. Just you have to tell the example. Who wants to come? So you have to tell the example.
Yes, sir. I have a example of my life that in sixth class examination I score very low marks, but in the seventh class examination I got a very better result than sixth class. So it is also necessary in our life that ups and downs come, because if we do so easy things that we know, so it will not give other things and knowledge. If we do hard things or difficult things, so it will give some knowledge and some other also things that give the knowledge. So it is important that our ups and downs come in our life. So if our life is so straight, so that means we are not enjoying the life, and we are so lazy and moody type.
Next, Tejal. Who wants to come? Please come fast. We will complete this video.
Okay, so I have an example of my life also. When I was in fourth class, so I have given I have given my name in a competition. So in that I haven't scored very nice, but I just set a aim that I need to just qualify that competition, and I will. So in next year I qualified that competition and I was really happy. So from down to up, so like this we will learn new things, but if we will walk in straight line, so we cannot learn new things, and we will not get good knowledge about them, because it is all normal, because we are not getting any of the emotions in our daily life. Like if we are walking in a straight line, so we don't have any challenges and we don't have any opportunity.
Now we will complete this video here, and please guys do support, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, just